Mastering TV Noise Reduction, a complete guide.
Hello there. Today, we're going to discuss a common issue that many TV owners face: noise. Noise can often disrupt your viewing experience, making it less enjoyable. But don't worry, we're here to help. We'll guide you through the process of adjusting the noise reduction timing on your TV. So, let's get started.
What is noise reduction?
Noise reduction is a feature present in many modern TVs that helps reduce unwanted noise or grain that can appear in the picture. Noise can be caused by several factors, including signal interference, the source's quality, or even the cable used to transmit the signal.
How to access your TV settings.
1. Power on your TV and grab your remote control. 2. Press the menu or settings button. The exact name may vary depending on your TV's brand and model. 3. Navigate through the options using the arrow keys on your remote until you find an option called Picture, Video, or Image Settings. 4. Select that option to access the various settings related to your TV's picture quality.
Where is the noise reduction option?
Once you're in the Picture, Video, Image Settings, 1. Continue to navigate through the options until you find a setting called Noise Reduction or something similar. 2. Remember, the exact naming can vary depending on the manufacturer. It could be under Advanced Settings or Detailed Settings in some cases.
How to adjust the noise reduction timing.
1. Once you've located the noise reduction setting, select it. 2. Now you should see different options that could range from off, low, medium, high, or auto. 3. The timing is typically related to the intensity of the noise reduction feature. For example, high means the feature will constantly work to reduce noise, while low means the feature will work less frequently. 4. Adjust this setting according to your preference. If you're unsure, setting it to auto is a good option as it lets the TV decide based on the signal it's receiving.
Final check and exit.
After you've made the adjustment, press the exit or return button on your remote to save the changes and go back to the main screen. Finally, it's always a good idea to watch a few different shows or movies to check if the changes have improved your viewing experience. And that's how you adjust the noise reduction timing on your TV. Remember, these settings can always be changed back if you're not satisfied with the result. We hope this guide has been helpful, and as always, enjoy your viewing.